Right, so here we are. We got intro take 2. So we've already done this once. We're doing it again.
Why are we doing it again? Why is the car half stripped and we're doing the intro again?
Right, so we filmed it all on this phone, left it on the bull bar, it dropped off, and then I didn't just drop it off the front of the bull bar, I run it over.
He runs it over.
So, well, let's not talk about that. It's just stuff for nightmares.
So we've actually tucked in a little bit on this one already.
Yeah, we've already done a bit. As you can see, we've got the guards off, we've got the tray off. So,
but here we are at the pretend beginning.
The pretend beginning.
This one's it's an FJ45. It's a 12th month 1975. So it's a really good blank canvas. This.
Yep.
But what's the customer want?
Oh, so she power steering. She's having 3.7 diffs. Now we've chosen to go over the 3.7 diffs because she's got the 350 in there.
So no
it's
fast
not going to be an off. No, we're not going fast speed. It's not going to be an off-road rig. So
don't need low range.
Don't need the low range. Anyway, if you do put it in low range, just give it the boot.
Yep.
Give it a bit of berries and she's off anyway. So yeah.
So 3.7s, power steering.
Yeah, full paint. So she's metallic grey.
Yep.
So we're going to be taking the bonnet off, the doors off. We've already stripped out the inside.
And a lot of black highlights, black rims. Black trims to go with the metallic paint.
That's it. So it's a black bezel as well, controversial, but I reckon it'll look awesome.
Yep.
We got thermo fans going in as well as the engine fan.
We've also got the to go with all the black trim. We've got the we're going to go and see our mate Bear down at Northside Tinting.
That's it. Yeah,
he will make all the windows black. It's going to be look like quite a weapon, this one.
It will do. It will do. And the customer wanted to be involved as well. So she's got her dad actually has a background in upholstery, so she's taken away the seats and the door cards. She's having all those done. She's getting well involved. She's also sorting out all the spotties for it.
Can I ask, this was his project to begin with?
No, it was her husband's. And unfortunately he passed away, so the customer's taken over the build and she's going to finish it in his eyes, hopefully. Yeah. So it's going to be awesome.
Pretty exciting. And we've already started.
Yeah, so there's a few bits we've done already, but yeah,
we'll come to all that.
We're just about to go for paint, so really excited. We're just about to lift the cab off, get the doors off, bonnet off, and send it away for paint, and I can't wait, man.
This was going to be a bit of a shut door, a closed door, but when we start pulling panels off it anyway, it's like, let's do it properly. Let's remove the whole cab.
Engine bay's got to be done. Yeah. It's going to look so cool.
You can't pop the hood and see this underneath there. You've got to have the whole thing done.
Check the chassis out, mate.
She's looking good, hey?
Yeah.
It's someone's welded a few extra bits on there, but it seems
I reckon
to be
that was for a spare wheel, spare tyre or something.
Ah, yeah, explains all this.
Yeah. But yeah,
very clean, no rust.
Nah, real good, real good.
That's awesome.
Real good base, no surprises, which is a rarity with the old 40, isn't it? So
this age.
But now we're cracking on with it. So we've stripped out all the inside. It's ready for paint. Just got to get the windows out. Power steering's done. We've done the 3.7 diffs. So yeah. 3.7
diffs. How'd you go there? I'm reading a lot in the forums. Change your crown and pinion, but it was a bit more in depth than that to change the ratio.
It's not. Yeah, it's not as straightforward as it sounds on there. So your 3.7 diffs are usually big spline.
Yep.
So obviously once you put that, you can't just transplant them because you've got your multi-spline shafts for your later axles, yeah?
Of course. Yeah.
So you have to take the planet gears that have got your fine splines out of your old 411 and transplant those into the diff centre of the 3.7.
And that all marries up?
And that all marries up perfectly, yeah.
Nice.
You use your thrust bearings and all that, the best ones you can find out of the even. And yeah, chuck it in. You have to replace all the bearings, all terrain tamer stuff, it's all good.
New diff.
Yeah, man.
Excellent.
So yeah, we're cracking on with it. She's had rebuilt wheel cylinders as well, so yeah.
Want to get some glass out?
I think so, mate.
Okay,
let's do it.
Here with Bear,
Yep.
my mate from Northside Tinting. How are you, Bear?
Yeah, good man, yourself?
Yeah, very well. And Bear has come down. He has Northside Tinting. He did the windows on my car. He's a 40 series owner himself.
Yep.
Got a big Chevy Donk in it though.
Yeah, 6.2 Chev diesel.
Yeah, very
Love
nice. Right now, he's going to give us a few tips on how to get them out because some guys have good rubbers that they'd like to save.
So to pop these rear windows and side corner windows out of a 40 or an old Land Cruiser or a Hilux, just give it a bit of a nudge. You won't break the glass because it's all toughened glass. And basically just grab that rubber and just fold it over that lip and just keep working it. And eventually what you do is you start at the top. I generally start in the middle, work my way around, and once it gets down to about the centres on the side, it'll just sit there and you can actually just lift it out from the other side.
Awesome.
Same with these little quarter windows. Once again, just give them a bit of a nudge just to break that.
Oh yeah,
seal
you can
limit.
hear it. You can hear it cracking.
Yeah, and makes the job so much easier.
Yeah. Right, so cool. Super excited. The next time we see the windows, they're all going to be smick and tinted. Can't wait, man.
Yep.
We're also going to come down to see you.
Okay.
I want to see your operation, if that's all right.
Yeah. Hey, how about we do a video on how to put the film on,
Yeah, definitely. Man.
and we'll show you how to put the rubbers on as well, and
Yeah.
we can go from there.
Yeah, we'll bring some nice new rubbers down for that.
Nice.
Awesome. This was supposed to be a shut door spray paint. Now, we've taken it upon ourselves to go the extra mile, remove the cab from the chassis and get all the engine bay done and underguard the whole cab. And it also gives us an opportunity to get to the parts of the chassis that were unobtainable while the cab was on. So it's going to be awesome. It'd be a shame to open the bonnet and see the old paint. So we're going to go all the way. It's going to look so awesome and I can't wait. Paul's on the controls. Let's get on with it. So it just goes to show, now we've got the cab off, you can see where I've cleaned, where we had the tray off, and where we haven't cleaned because the cab was on. This gives us an opportunity to clean out all the chassis rails there, get some lanolin in there or some sort of rust protection. We can clean the bell housing and the top of the gearbox off, just places where you would never have got with the cab still on. So it just goes to show that it's worth going that extra mile. It's going to be awesome. I can't bloody wait.